This is your video orientation to LJS 173 from the Schoenberg collection in the Kislak Center for Special Collections, Rare Books and Manuscripts in the University of Pennsylvania Libraries. This is a mathematical work written in Wittenberg in 1629 and 1632, so over a period of a few years. And although it was written in Wittenberg in Germany, the text is in Latin, and there are a few terms in Greek. You will see on this page and then throughout, the pages are organized in sort of halves, so you have the text on the half of the page that's closest to the gutter, and then notes and other things will appear on the outer parts of the page. So in this case, we have a diagram that comes through. Here's some, somebody spilled a little bit of something there. But here we see more typically, like this is what it looks like. You'll also see that there's a fold here, really in the first part of the manuscript. I think it doesn't do this in the second part, although the layout is the same. And the folding, I can't tell if it was originally carried around folded. You see that sometimes. So before it was bound, folded and carried, or if this is just how they divided the page in half. That's another possibility. So it's a mathematical text in 4 sections on the general principles of mathematics, arithmetic, geometry, and astronomy. And that's the first text in the book. And that's followed by an astrological text based on spherical geocentric astronomy, which has tables from the work of Copernicus and Brahe. Here's some Hebrew, so there's also some Hebrew text. And the Greek is on a previous page. So here we go. This is written on paper, and it's a little bit, you can see it's quite yellow. It's a little fragile, so I need to be a little careful as I turn the pages. There you can see there's a lot of math, as it is a mathematical text. We're still in this the first text here. Here we have geometry, so we have some geometrical diagrams. I'm trying to get to the astronomy part. Here we go, section 4, astronomia. So here's astronomy. Here we go. We have the diagram of the solar system, which of course has the Earth and then the moon and then all the planets and the sun around it. Very typical. Let's see. And then the next text starts here. So there's a little bit messy. And then here again, we have the same layout of the page. And this is the astrological text, which has some diagrams and charts and all kinds of interesting things. If you'd like to find out more about LJS 173, you can visit Find, where there is a digitized copy and a full description. This has been your video orientation to LJS 173.